Hi, my name is Yari Romero. I'm originally from Venezuela, South America. My background is an industrial engineer, and I actually was almost done my manufacturing engineer master's degree before to come to Canada. I came to Canada with a lot of dreams, two luggage, one full of clothes and one full of dreams. I tried to grow up my career in Canada in the automotive industry. I started working since I came to Canada. I did my engineering degree, manufacturing degree, and I started working on all the quality side of my background, bringing from Venezuela to Canada. I work in the cannabis industry also. That gave me the opportunity to learn a little bit about medical background. So automotive background and medical background would make a perfect fit for Starlim, North America. So I applied for the position, and now I have been here in Starlim for 9 months actually, this month. And I'm really happy to be part of this family.